Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is being specially made for overseas Pakistanis. Because of business, I had to travel to West quite a lot for last 16 years. And whenever I meet the overseas Pakistanis or I interact with them through WhatsApp or email, I find them very much concerned about their motherland, Pakistan. I feel them a lot more passionate than many Pakistanis and a lot more concerned. Probably they are many thousands of miles away from their homeland, and they love it equally as we love it whilst being in Pakistan. But what I expect from them is some rationale and some logic, some homework, some study, some research, some critical thinking and well-informed decisions when they talk about leadership. If we see our country's history for last 8 decades, almost 78 years, we would come to know that after the demise of Great Jinnah, we did not find any more selfless, sincere and visionary leadership, whether it was civil or military. Talking about the main ruling parties, PMLN, PTI, People's Party, all of them have been given chances, and mostly through our establishment. On their shoulders they came, and somehow or the other, sadly, they forgot their manifesto, promises which they made to Pakistan, to their motherland. And that is why we are in a quagmire today. So what solution this Aligarh Institute of Leadership think for future of our country, where our political system, economic system, judicial system, administrative system, everything seems regressing on a very brisk pace? The solution we feel is that leadership has to come on the basis of collective wisdom, collective leadership, and no personality syndrome or no personality cult. Any leader of a party has to present his manifesto, a working plan, how will he fulfill that manifesto, that promise, and that has to make sense, and that manifesto has to be taken forward in the masses. And we have to decide once for all that leadership has to come from working or middle class, not from elite, because a basic problem of the decay of our society, country and system is this ruling elite and nexus of this ruling elite's capture. It involves judiciary, military establishment, our politicians, our civil society, our intelligentsia, our journalists, industrialists. So that is why until or unless we have a middle class and working class leadership who presents a manifesto covering people's basic needs and issues and take it into the masses and then make a leadership team who will deliver, I think that is how we shall be able to resolve our country's this big massive problem where we are in after almost 8 decades. I hope all the overseas Pakistanis would listen to our message, contact us with their feedback and suggestions, and help us in making this Pakistan prosperous for all, not for few, which it has been for last 80 years. Thank you, God bless you, and God bless Pakistan.